Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix a Snapchat if it is showing the same stories. So first of all, go to your Snapchat on your mobile phone, and as you can see, I can see my stories or other stories and it is not being repeated. So in your case, if the stories are being repeated, then let me teach you how to fix it. First of all, go to your Play Store or your App Store and search in Snapchat on the search bar. And after you have searched it, open the Snapchat profile, and as you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest update. So if it is not updated to you, then you should update your Snapchat. After that, you should go to your settings and go to apps or applications and search Snapchat on the search bar. Click on that Snapchat, click on stories and click on clear data and clear cache and hit OK. And that's how you fix your Snapchat showing the same stories. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.